So hello guys, today I am going to discuss with you about this topic, sentence. So what is sentence and how can we define a sentence and what is the structure of sentence? Today we will discuss about this one. So let's move on to that topic. So first of all, we have to learn about language. What is language? We have to learn about this thing, and then after that we have to learn about letters, then alphabets, and then words. And after words we can start from sentence. So let's move on. So what is sentence? Let's see. This is the definition. So what is the definition? A sentence is the combination of words in a meaningful way. That means when we are reading something or when we are reading a sentence, there should be lot of words. There should be lot of words, and if we use them inappropriately, then it will not be a sentence. And if we make their arrangements as well as possible, then it will be a sentence. So a sentence is the combination of words in a meaningful way. I think you all understand about this one. So now let's move back to the part that is what should we have to follow about sentence. So let's move it. A sentence always begins with a capital letter. So we should have to follow this one thing first. That means a sentence should start from a capital letter, and then it ends with a full stop or a question mark or an exclamatory mark. So this is the full stop sign, and this is the question mark sign, and this is the semicolon sign or exclamation mark. Okay, so we have to focus about this one, and then we will start about its part. And before that, we need some comments how to make a sentence. So first of all, we have to take subject. There should be a subject in a sentence, and that should be in the first position. And after subject, there should be a verb. That verb should be regular or irregular or principal or auxiliary. That will not be important. And then object. We need object. So the comments that we need to make a sentence is subject, verb, and then object. We need this. Okay. After this, how many types of sentences? So the types of sentences, there are two parts. That means we can divide them into two parts. One is structural and the second one is functional. Okay, so let's start about the structural parts. So how many structural parts are there? There are 4 structural parts. The first one is simple sentence. We can say it as simple sentence. Simple means very simplification. No rough and tough words and no many words. Then complex sentence, and after that compound sentence, and then compound complex sentence. But we cannot use compound complex sentence right now. We are using just simple sentence, complex sentence, and compound sentence. Okay. Now functional. So how many functional parts are there? There are 5 functional parts. So what are they? First one is assertive sentence. Second one is interrogative sentence. Third one is exclamatory sentence. Fourth one is third one is imperative sentence. Fourth one is exclamatory, and fifth one is operative. Another one, we can divide assertive sentence into 2 parts. One is affirmative, that means it is the positive sign of sentence, and negative, that means it is the negative sign of sentence. Okay, so I think you all know about these things. Now we are going to discuss about the structural parts of sentence. First of all, it is simple sentence. A simple sentence is a type of sentence that must have a single clause. That means they have to define a clause as single verb, which is independent. That means independent, not dependent on others, and it cannot take another clause. That means another verb. It cannot take any verb another. So let's move on to the example. I always wanted to become a doctor. Here, the subject is I, and then the verb, that means the single clause, that is wanted. The clause, single clause is wanted, and the rest one is some object in this part. Next, complex sentence. So what is complex sentence? A complex sentence is a type of sentence that has more than one clause, but one of them must be independent. That means there should be an independent clause, and the other must be dependent. Okay, so let's move on to the example. I know that you always wanted to become a doctor. Here are two verbs. First one, it is I, this letter I is subject, and then no. And then you always wanted to become a doctor. Here the word no is the independent verb, and then the rest one wanted this word, this is dependent. Next, compound sentence. A compound sentence is a type of word, type of sentence that must have more than one independent clause with no dependent clause.